Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network, Salesforce Administrator tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is business hours. These are days and hours during which support team is available. Business hours are of two types, organization level and profile level. Organizational level is applied for all users in the organization. All users can log in only during business hours. User logged in business hours can continue to work even after business hours but cannot create new session. Profile level, when we want to define different set of login hours for a group of users, then we will define profile level login hours. Steps to create business hours: setup, settings, company settings, business hours, new business hours. Step 1, provide business hours name. Step 2, select time zone. Step 3, choose time of business hours. Step 4, save. Let's see an example. Create a business hours for company AKB. To do the practical, just log into our Salesforce account. So for the navigation, just refer to PPT, setup, under settings, company settings, expand this, business hours. Organization business hours. Here we are seeing the default business hours created by Salesforce and given to us. If all we need to create our own business hours, we have to click on new business hours. Organization business hours, select the days and hours that your support team is available. These hours, when associated with escalation rules, determine the times at which cases can escalate. So, provide the business hour name. So in the first step, we need to provide business hours name. So I had provided for the business company AKB. Use these business hours as the default. I am not checking this. Click active. Step 2, time zone. For which time zone this business hours is going to regulate. So I am keeping this default. Step 3, business hours. So here we are seeing all the days and from which time to which time. So it's all for 24 hours. So I am going with default one. Click save. So like this we are creating our own business hours as per our business requirement. Thank you, and if you guys found this video helpful, please do like, subscribe and also leave a comment down below.